Mr. MBB333 put out a video the other night about the birds at night. Well, I gotta tell you guys, I don't sleep at night. I'm getting 2 root canals tomorrow too. I'm terrified. But anyway, the seagulls are going crazy. I don't know if you can hear it, but every night, like the last couple nights I've been out here, it's I don't know, maybe 3 in the morning again. So the birds are up at night for some reason, and they're going crazy. I would walk down there. Uh, Something I didn't tell you guys. I have peripheral neuropathy in my feet, so it's very hard for me to walk, but I do it anyway. So I would walk down to the bay, but there's bumps and stuff in the road here and whatever. But I can hear the seagulls. See, the bay is that way, and the ocean is that way. Oh, and there's the moon. It's still flooded over here. Oh man, I had it on large screen the whole time. All right, whatever. I'm not perfect. I'm very nervous about tomorrow. But I hear tons of seagulls. All right, love you guys. After these root canals tomorrow, if I don't die or whatever, I'll try to get back to the ocean and get some more videos for you.